the lioness who became a queen. In the heart of the savanna, beneath the golden sun and endless skies, there lived a lioness named Lila. Fierce, brave, and kind, Lila was admired by all the animals for her kindness and bravery. But the pride was ruled by a powerful but selfish lion king named Kenyu. He cared only for his own strength and ignored the needs of the pride. The lions grew hungry and the cubs cried at night. Lila knew that a true leader should care for everyone, but challenging Kenyu was a dangerous task. One day, while walking along the river bank, Lila overheard a young zebra crying. She asked gently,
"Why are you so sad?"
The river is drying up and my family can't find water.
Lila's heart sank. She knew the dry season was hard for everyone, but Kenyu had done nothing to help the other animals. That night, as the moon cast its light over the land, Lila gathered the pride and said,
"Our home is suffering. We need a leader who will protect the land and its creatures. We need to work together for the good of all."
The lions murmured in agreement, but one voice rose in protest. It was Kenyu. He roared,
What can a lioness like you do? Leadership is about strength, not kindness.
True strength lies in caring for others. Let's prove it with a challenge. If I win, I will lead the pride and restore balance to the savanna.
Kenyu laughed but accepted the challenge. The challenge began at dawn with 3 trials to test leadership, wisdom, courage, and unity. In the first trial, wisdom, both Kenyu and Lila were asked to find the fastest way to restore the river's flow. Kenyu rowed and tried to dig through the dry riverbed with his claws, but it was futile. Lila, however, noticed a fallen tree blocking the river upstream. With help from elephant and rhinos, she moved the tree and the water flowed freely once more. Then in the second trial, courage, a young cub was stuck on a rocky cliff, too frightened to climb down. Kenyu roared loudly, trying to scare the cub into moving, but the cub only cried louder. Lila climbed the cliff carefully, speaking soothing words to the cub. She guided it safely down, earning the respect of the pride. And lastly, the final trial, unity, came, in which the animals of the savanna were asked to choose their leader who they believed could unite them all. Kenyu stood tall and proud, but his harsh rule had left many resentful. On the other hand, Lila, with her history of helping others and her vision of a better future, was the overwhelming choice. Kenyu reluctantly stepped down and Lila was crowned Queen of the Pride. Her first act as queen was to declare that the lions would protect the savanna, not dominate it. Under Lila's rule, the lion worked with other animals to share resources and ensure everyone is thrived. The land began to flourish and even the sky seemed brighter. Lila Rain became a legend, and she was remembered not only as a strong leader but as a kind and wise queen who united the savanna. And so the lioness, who dared to challenge the old ways, became a queen and changed the world for the better. Hey everyone, did you enjoy the story? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fun and exciting tales.